Dokie is a website that allows you to create images, slides, even landing pages as well, all from a prompt. If this is your first time here, my name is Jay, and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm going to dive right into this here, and I'm going to say create, but still let me prompt this. Let me voice prompt it, I meant to say. Create a presentation on the importance of skill banks and prompt libraries, as these will be the future of intellectual property for all businesses. Okay, great stuff. Of course, I don't need to dive right into, the importance of skill banks and prompt libraries. This is something, I'm always talking about to my clients in person and also across various videos on the channel. So we can see here, Dokie has started naming this task and processing multiple subtasks, I believe. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to wait until this is finished, and we'll come back and take a look at the result. Cool. Okay, so similar to Gamma, we've been presented with a few things like the key information and any sort of themes you want to use. I think I'm going to go for this one here. You can also select to refine the outline with smart text and image search. I'll leave that on. I'll say that all looks right to me, and I'm just going to click confirm. And yeah, once this is done, we'll come back and take a look. Okay, great. So now we do have the slides that have been generated, and we can actually edit quite a few things nicely and dynamically. Cool. So yeah, I did get asked to confirm that I wanted the specific slide outline that was shown as well, but we can see here the rise of AI in business. Competitive advantage is shifting from who uses AI to who operationalizes reusable AI know-how. Couldn't have said it better myself. So we've got here the second page, the contents, and we've got a few other things here. So it looks like, okay, so looks like we've got 3 slides that have been made. These seem pretty cool. Skill banks and prompts, the future of intellectual property for all businesses. Cool. I think this is
I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompts, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out.
It's quite a nice, I guess, start at the moment. What I would say is that you probably want to give people a chance to see at least like 10 slides. I'm going to refresh this to make sure it's not just me, but ultimately if I was building out this tool, I'd let people be able to see at least 10 slides and maybe create that. But I like the fact that it's very easy and simple to just move different items about. This isn't necessarily the case in some other slide generation tools and platforms. So yeah, definitely check this out if you think it would be useful for you. If you're building something similar to this, then you want to give a better user experience on a freemium model is what I would say.